Myself is Naresh Sikka. I am an entrepreneur in Gandhinagar, which is known as one of the biggest ready-made garments market in Asia. Why it is known? Because in a single cluster, not anywhere in the Asia, so many shops are there. We are having 5,000 plus shops, and I used to manufacture men's lower and men's upper. As far as it has become trendy to use the ready-made garments markets, and we are having a very good future in the society now, because smaller one, younger one and the older one, everybody is shifting himself from the stitching of the clothes to the ready-made garments market. I used to manufacture my product by the name of Harrell. I used to manufacture denims, cotton trousers, shirts and t-shirts. I started this venture in 1988, and with the passage of time, I used to do my business with a number of big corporates like Vishal, Monte Carlo, Bazaar, Retail Bazaar, and number of big corporates are there. And I also cater the domestic interstate market like Odisha, West Bengal. These are some markets which are with me. Few years back in 2019, just along with the breaking of the epidemic in the world, I started a new wing of my trade. I started a retail chain by the name of GTB Mega Mart, running family stores up to the area of 4 to 5,000 square feet with kids, girls, ladies and gents. All types of shops are there. Most of my stores are there in UP like Badaयूं, Pratapgarh, Saidpur, Gazipur in district. And I have my one store in Uttarakhand and 1 or 2 stores in Bihar. That was a new concept of business for me. In this retail business, there is my IT partner by the name of Ginesys Software. I am using this software which has varied updation regarding the stock on my stores, which type of the stock is there. Different reports can be drawn from the software on the MRP basis, on the quality basis, on the men's, ladies, kids, which stock I want, how much I sent to the stores, how much they sold, what is the pending there. So at present, I one thing more want to say, Ginesys is one of the good product for the people's mediocre level retail stores like me.